Welcome, cozy enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the warm embrace of the top or heated blankets on Amazon. From the luxurious Sunbeam Micro Plush to the customizable warmth of Biddeford's Pure Warmth. Get ready to embrace warmth, coziness, and a touch of luxury. Let's unwrap the world of comfort together. HomeMate electric blanket offers high performance at an affordable price, making it a budget-friendly choice. Sealy Electric Throw provides powerful heating capabilities and a plush fleece material for warmth. Degrees of Comfort enhances comfort with various temperature settings and meticulous design. Sunny Heat's Pure Warmth electric blanket offers customizable heating options and a soft material for a cozy experience. Sunbeam is renowned for its high-quality micro-plush material and a safe heating system, providing both comfort and safety.